Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Online applications are invited from eligible ITI passed candidates in different trades for apprenticeship training for 1 year at the different establishments of WCL, that is Western Coalfield Limited. So here trade and the name of the establishment is given. See, computer operator and programming assistant. So there are 219 vacancies. Here establishment areas are given. Area wise vacancies are given. Draftman 28 vacancies, electrician 250, fitter 242, mechanic 36, mechanist 12, mason building constructor 9, pump operator cum mechanic 16, surveyor 20, turner 17, welder 76, wireman 40. So totally 965 vacancies are here. And so candidates willing to apply for trade apprenticeship training in any one of the establishment of WCL will be required to submit online web application form attached with this notification within the prescribed time period in the official website of WCL. So here website link is given, www.westerncoal.in. So through this website we have to apply for apprenticeship vacancies. And here addresses of the establishments mentioned here. So read carefully. And qualification should possess education qualification as indicated in the table below. Qualification, candidate should possess educational qualification, that is ITI. For computer operator and programming assistant, ITI in computer operator and programming assistant is necessary, and draftman ITI in draftman, and electrician ITI in electrician, fitter ITI in fitter, mechanic ITI in mechanic, mechanist ITI in mechanist, mason ITI in mason, pump operator cum mechanic ITI in pump operator cum mechanic, and surveyor ITI in surveyor, turner ITI in turner, welder ITI in welder, wireman ITI in wireman or electrician is necessary. So candidates should possess education qualification as indicated in the above table 3 from institute recognized by NCVT or SCVT, and candidate should have physical fitness as per Mines Rule 1955, and the minimum age should be 18 years as on September 21, 2021, and the maximum age on September 21, 2021 should be 25 years for candidates of general category. Maximum age limit relaxed by 5 years for candidates belongs to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, and 3 years for other backward classes. And candidates should have an Aadhaar card, and they should have valid saving bank account account number with the same details as mentioned in the education certificate and domicile certificate, and candidates should have registered at the apprenticeship training portal. And the apprentice will be paid monthly consolidated stipend amount. So for 1 year ITI qualification they pay 7,700 as a stipend, and for 2 years ITI qualification 8,050 rupees per month will be paid, and no other allowances benefits will be provided. So period of apprenticeship training shall be 12 months commencing from the date of the contract of apprenticeship. Next, reservation is given. So read carefully. So here the particulars of about particulars about reservation to SC/ST and OBC candidates is given. So read carefully. And application process. So candidates should have registered first at the official portal of trade apprenticeship. Details of candidates should be available at the portal www.apprenticeshipindia. So candidates apprenticeship registration number is mandatory before filling online application from at WCL, and the profile status should be 100% filled. Next, candidates should apply through official website, and candidates can apply in any one establishment only. Selection procedure. Candidates shall have only one choice of establishment of WCL to apply in the trade available in such establishment. And scrutiny of applications, document verification, medical examination shall be carried out or arranged by the concerned establishment only. Hence, all communications in this regard shall be made by the concerned establishment only. So, process of selection is candidate who are domicile of the district where establishment is situated shall be given first preference in each establishment during selection, and candidates from other district of concerned state shall be given second preference, and candidates outside concerned state shall be given third preference. And the provisional selection shall be made from down the merit list prepared by each establishment based on the percentage of marks obtained in the qualifying examination, that is relevant ITI examination. Date of birth will be taken as tiebreaker in case of tie or percentage of marks, and the older in age candidate will be placed higher in seniority in the merit list, and the eligible candidate shall be called for document verification at concerned establishment office. The date, time and venue of the document verification shall be intimated to the eligible candidates accordingly through the WCL website notice or by registered email address of the candidates. And final selection of the candidates in each seat shall be made after verification of documents. Shortlisted candidates merely attending the document verification process does not entitle selection of his candidature as apprentice with establishment. So after verification of documents and medical fitness certificate, the candidate shall be selected for apprenticeship training. So the selected apprentice will have to sign or accept contract of apprenticeship training as per rules of the Board of Apprenticeship Training. So some general instructions are given, read carefully. So this is the notification, and online web application starts on September 6th, 2021, and last date for online web application is September 21, 2021. So this is the notification. So interested candidates can apply for this apprentice vacancies. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.